how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I am playing with the new Blend Bunny palette. I'm so excited for a new launch from the brand. I'm so stoked to be diving into this. I'm gonna be showing you close-ups, swatches. I'll be creating a look. I am so pumped. This palette's launching the day this video goes up on the 1st at 9 a.m. PST, and you can use my affiliate code battybean to save money on their site, and I appreciate it so much if you use it. I will also have another look going up on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, just to get another look out there for you, some more inspiration, some more playing with the palette. Ideally, I believe that's also going up right around the same time this video is going up, so go check that out if you need some more inspo. But before we dive into the palette itself, I did just want to say a huge thank you to the brand for sending it to me so I had time to play with it with you before launch. I apologize I didn't get a video up sooner. I've been going through a lot in my real life, but it's here today. It's up before launch, and that's the best I can do for you right now. Before we get into the palette itself, let me just give you my accessory details. This bracelet and these 2 rings are from Ana Luisa. This is just a wig off of Amazon, and this is a Neff brand beanie. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in, chat about the palette itself, and get into the look. I think this packaging is so pretty. I love the theming behind this too. It's very much like life meets machine. It's a super cool vibe. I really like the sci-fi, cyborg kind of vibe. I think it's so cool. And I love the metallic look of this. It's so pretty. And then on the inside, we have 24 shades. It's an explosion of color. We have a mixture of brights and depth and grunge. We have that traditional gradient order from Blend Bunny, but I really like how she laid out the shimmers. They're kind of staggered like this. I think that's really fun and very pleasing to the eye to still have the gradient, but it's all kind of shifted a little bit. It's really pretty. I also love how this is divided. Like this is kind of like the human life side, and then this is like the techie robot side, and it's super cool how it's divided. This is actually a project she was working on with her dad, and I know he would be so proud. Maggie, congratulations to you. I'm just super happy for you. I think you and your dad did a great job doing this together, and he would have been so proud. I also want to point out, I feel like this could be like Serge's cousin, like, because both Serge and this one have like pops of brightness. Like this doesn't go quite as neon as the Serge did, but it has very vivid bright shades, meets that grungy vibe. So if you're someone who's super bummed at the fact that Serge got discontinued, or it's getting discontinued soon, I don't know if it's already gone, but you want something to kind of fill that void while we hopefully hold out for a Serge 2.0 in the future, I think this could be a fun kind of like cousin to the Serge. I think it's very cute. I think there's so many opportunities with this one. The shimmers in here are so cool. I really like these grungy vibes. This one gets my creative juices flowing, and I'm really excited about it. I also did want to shout out this person on Instagram. I'll pop up a bigger picture on the screen so you can actually see and search her. But Deandra Nicole, she does not only just the most beautiful and aesthetically pleasing like flat lays and swatches, but she specifically did do comparisons of this palette with some of the other palettes. So if you want to see some good comparisons with this one versus the other Blend Bunny palettes, go check her out. I think she's just the top tier person for comparison swatches. And yeah, I think I've said it all. This is a standalone palette in the collection. There's no other parts to this collection, and I honestly love that. I think it's perfect just to keep this palette standalone. But let's go ahead, dive into it, do the look, and then at the end I'll give you my thoughts so far. Good morning, friends. Let's hop into playing with this palette. I have such a vision of what I want to do today, and I'm really excited about it. Just look how pretty. Oh, I'm so attracted to like all of these colors. I think they're so cool. So let's prime. I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer, and I'm going to smear this all over my eyeballs and blend it out. Hope you're doing well today. What are you up to? What are you doing? I'm getting ready for work. It's very chilly today, and I'm loving it. It feels so wintry and beautiful outside. So I really want to use this shade Burn, and I want it to blend into Error Code. I just think those corals are so pretty. Have to have it. I think I'm gonna start with the lighter one, Error Code. I'm gonna use my Singe E03 brush. I'm gonna start by blending this in the outer corner of my eye. I'm only gonna have this focused in the outer corner because I'm gonna have a different pop of color on the inner. So I'm gonna start by just blending this out here. Kind of matches my blush. That's adorable. I love that. I haven't done face highlighter yet because I am gonna use a shade from the palette as my face highlight, and I'll do that at the end. But I'm just kind of focusing this on the outer part of my lower lash line and crease, and just kind of creating this big V shape. I'm gonna go in with burn immediately now. I'm gonna use the Sigma E42. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm gonna do kind of the same thing. I'm just gonna keep it more tucked in. I'm not gonna blend it out as far, but still in the same general zone. Like I'm kind of really focusing it on this whole like outer corner. That is gorgeous, holy cow. And then on that like outer third of that lower lash line, I'm just kind of making sure those connect. And then I'll just go back in with error code on that first brush and blend out the edges. I'm already so happy. I don't know what it was about this like coral row. It just screamed at my soul. Obviously the olive green screamed at my soul. If you know me at all, you know. But I don't know, I wanted to do something a little different today. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so, so pretty. Take little bits at a time, build up more. I actually don't even have anything additional on this brush. I'm just kind of going in with the brushes as they are. Oh, that is so cute. All right, so I'm dying for a pop of lavender in this look, so I really want to use Flawed. I think that's really, really pretty. I'm gonna use the Singe Beauty E02 brush. I'm just gonna load it up, and I'm just gonna plop it here in the inner part of my crease. Oh, that is so pretty next to those corals. I love that combo. It's really, really cute. I don't know what Blend Bunny does, but I swear her palettes just always pull out just such unique inspiration. Like I'm always wanting to pair color combos that maybe I just haven't done in a while or I haven't really thought to before, but I don't know, seeing this purple row next to the coral row, I was like, I absolutely have to do something with that. It's so pretty. And obviously I'll be doing another look with this palette over on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Ideally, it'll be up the same day this video goes up. That's my plan. So stay tuned for that. That should already be up. If not, it's coming very soon. And I'm dying to use like the olives with maybe the pinks. I think that would be a really cool combo as well. I just love Blend Bunny. They're one of my favorite brands of all time. I just think they're doing such cool things. I think that's just so pretty. I can't take it. Okay. Shimmer. I want some shimmer on the lid. So I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to use this brush right here, the Beauty and the Beast brush from the Sigma collection. It's the E55. I'm just going to plop this down all over the lid. We're not doing anything cut creasy. I'm just going to have shimmer kind of slathered everywhere. And then we'll go from there. I'm gonna use Conduct right here, this peachy shimmer. I just feel like I have to, you know? I'm in a peachy mood, what can I say? Ooh, that is so pretty. Just gonna, okay. Yes, with the sparkle. Wow, that is so pretty. This might make a pretty face highlight, actually. I was thinking of using the white, but this could be really pretty. I might still just use the white though, because that'll let me use another shade. And I just want to play with every shade so badly. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, yes. Really, really like that. I think that's gorgeous. I just want to take a little bit more of Flawed. And I just want to re-intensify that just a little bit and kind of blend it into that shimmer. To be honest, I think if I was shopping for somebody who was like getting into makeup, I'd possibly get them a Blend Bunny palette as like their first like palette. Because I feel like it's such a no-brainer thing where you could do so many different looks really easily because of the way the colors are laid out. And the formulas are just so good to work with. I think that'd be a great gift for a new makeup lover. I mean, also even an experienced makeup lover like myself, but I just think this would make a great gift for a new makeup person. The way the sun's coming in and reflecting on my Christmas lights, that's so cute. All right, so I really want to use Conscious right here. And I really want to pop some of that on that lower lash line. This is just a Colourpop pencil brush. And I just wanted to have like a little pop of this down here. I thought it would be really, really cute and kind of play off of the lavender pop that's above. And also, I just love a lower lash line shimmer. It's one of my favorite things in the world. I really, really like that on that lower lash line. I like the effect that gives. It's so cute. All right, so for the inner corner, I really wanted another pop of color. So I want to use the bright yellow right here. It's such a cool tone, and I just think it would be so pretty. I'm going to use my Singe E01. I don't do like a matte in the inner corner very often. I definitely opt for shimmer, but come on. That is really freaking cool. Holy cow, that is bright. Wow, this is so cool. I really, really, really like this. That's pretty. I'm just gonna wipe this brush off now and then just kind of use the edges to blend it out just a smidge. I love yellow and purple together and I really like it, like kind of popped like that. I really love this look. So yeah, I think I am gonna use the white shimmer switch up here. I'm gonna use that to highlight my brow bone and my face. I'm just gonna wipe off the brush I had with the lavender matte. I'm just gonna grab some of Switch and I'm just gonna dust this up in my brow bone area. Ooh, that is sparkly. I'm gonna take my Spectrum B08 brush from the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. Just highlight my little nose, highlight my little cheekbones. Oh, the sparkle is so good. That's so pretty. Oh, I really like this look. I think this is really fun. I'm gonna clean up my mess, finish up my look. I need to throw on my mascara, an eye pencil, something on my lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. Here is my look complete. I really, really like how this came out. I love the combination of the lavender with the coral, and I love that pop of yellow in the inner corner. I think it's so pretty. I love this. I'm super stoked to play with this again. I am already so impressed. It's getting my creative juices flowing, and I'm just really excited to dive in some more. The eye pencils I threw in, I went with two. I went with Puppy and Prance from Colourpop. I did kind of like a two-tone situation to kind of reflect that lower lash line. I just threw on mascara, obviously, and then on my lips, I went with the Fun Lip Pencil from Rare Beauty. Then I topped it with the Honey Dip Gloss from Sugar Pill over top. But yeah, this is my look. I really hope you enjoy it. Let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts so far on the palette. Thank you so much for watching my video playing with Blend Bunny's newest launch. I think this is so fun. I obviously need to play with it more. I've only played with it the one time, but so far so good. It's everything I want from Blend Bunny. They're one of my favorite brands. I personally never have any issues with their mattes. I think they blend like butter. They have really good pigmentation, and especially with the gradient effect that she does, it's kind of a no-brainer blending things out. It makes it so easy breezy. And the shimmers, I swear her shimmers just get better every time. I love how twinkly and sparkly everything is. It makes me really, really happy. So far, so good. I have no complaints. I am inspired to continue diving into this one. I think this is one that I could consider possibly becoming a favorite of mine from the brand, just because these colors really do speak to me. I love seeing all these different weird tones kind of playing together. I'm very into it. So I'm a happy camper. I would love to hear your thoughts though. Do you plan on picking this one up? Are you interested in it? Have you tried Blend Bunny before? And if so, what's your favorite? As of right now, my favorite palette remains to be Surge, and I personally would love to see a Surge 2.0 in the future whenever she's able to manufacture neons again and possibly do her better shimmer formula. Would love to see it. But yeah, Surge is my favorite. We'll miss you. Lure is probably a close second, and I could see this becoming a favorite as well for sure. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave emojis that represent kind of the human meets robot kind of energy? I want to see what you can do in the comments. I think that'll be fun. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm battybean there as well. And also feel free to subscribe. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.